Hello everyone. So my name is Muhammad Alif Octora. So today I'm gonna discuss with you guys about international outsourcing. So first thing first, I want to introduction. What is international outsourcing? In the modern global economy, international outsourcing has become one of the most significant and transformative phenomena in international trade and production. It refers to the process by which firms transfer certain parts of their production or business activities to external companies located in foreign countries. This practice allows firms to reduce costs, improve efficiency, and take advantage of global difference in labor, technology, and resources. And next, definition of international outsourcing. International outsourcing, also known as offshore outsourcing, can be defined as the relocation of certain stages of production or services from a domestic firm to an independent supplier located in another country. In simpler terms, it means contracting a foreign company to perform specific business tasks, such as manufacturing, assembling, customer service or IT support that were previously handled within the firm or domestically. Next, difference between outsourcing and offshoring. Although often used interchangeably, outsourcing and offshoring have slightly different meanings. Outsourcing, contracting out specific business functions to external companies, whether domestic or foreign. Offshoring, relocating production or service to another country, which can be done either within the same company, a foreign subsidiary, or through an external supplier. And next, reasons for international outsourcing. Firms engage in international outsourcing for several economic and strategic reasons. According to international trade theory, these motifs are closely related to the principle of comparative advantage and cost efficiency, like cost reduction, focus on core competencies, access to global expertise, flexibility, and risk sharing. And next is how international outsourcing works. The process of outsourcing typically involves several steps. First, decision-making stage. The company evaluates which task or operation can be efficiently done extremely. Number two, selection foreign supplier. Firms choose reliable international partner or manufacturer. And number three, contracting and negotiation. Agreement on pricing, quality standards, intellectual property, and delivery schedules. Number four, implementation and integration. Production or service tasks are transferred abroad. Number five, monitoring and control. Continuous oversight to ensure quality and compliance with standards. And next, outsourcing in the context of international trade theories. The concept of international outsourcing aligns with modern trade theories, particularly those developed by Krugman and Melitz. A new trade theory by Krugman highlights economics, scale, and product differentiation as drivers of international trade. Outsourcing allows firms to achieve lower costs and through specializations. And new trade theory by Melitz. Difference between their firms, only the most productive firms can be afford to export or outsource internationally, leading to efficiency gains to the global economy. Comparative advantage principle. Even when we want country is more efficient in all tasks, outsourcing allows both countries to benefit by specializing according to their opportunity costs. And next is challenges of international outsourcing. Despite its advantage, outsourcing involves several challenges like quality control, cultural and language barriers, intellectual property risk, political and economic instability, and the last one is reputation risk. Also, you can rate the reason. And the future of international outsourcing. In recent years, technology's progress, automation, and digitalization have reshaped the nature of outsourcing. Like digital outsourcing, with the rise of e-commerce and remote work, outsourcing is no longer limited to physical production. It includes digital service like data processing, software development, and customer support. Nearshoring trends, some companies relocate outsource operation closer to home, moving production from China to Mexico to reduce risk, and sustainable outsourcing, growing attention to environmental and labor standards in supply chains. In the future, artificial intelligence, robotics, and cloud computing are expected to transform global outsourcing networks, making them faster, smarter, and more resilient. So the conclusion is international outsourcing plays a vital role in shaping today's globalized economy. It enables firms to operate more efficiently, lower costs, and access new markets. However, it also raises important questions about labor markets, equity, and sustainability. From an international trade perspective, outsourcing represents a modern extension of the principle of comparative advantage. Countries and firms specialize in what they do best and trade for the rest. To maximize the benefits and minimize the drawbacks, both governments and corporations must ensure fair labor practice, environmental protection, and resilient supply chains that support sustainability globalization. Okay, so these my references for the material. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope my presentation is will give you guys benefit. Thank you very much.